El gatito.
Hey, babe.
Yeah.
You want? Yeah. Family Coke? I don't know if you wanted it.
Nah, I'm good. Thank you, though. You park like shit.
I know. Do the eye thing. Do the eye thing. I want to say. Let me get straight. Actually,
Yeah, because you parking gay right now, bud.
you know what? No, I'm driving a fucking RX-7. No.
Parking funny.
I laugh every time I see this shit.
Told you, dude, you should have gotten a fucking pop-up Miata.
Well, maybe if it was the better Miata.
I don't know, that front lip is sick.
The better Miata. This front end is sick as fuck.
I know,
Tell me
dude.
This shit ain't sick as fuck.
That shit
God
is
damn,
sick.
that shit's sick as fuck. How you been though?
Pretty good, dude.
Hell
What you
yeah.
up to? I can't
Trying to
left
put my-
hand. Oh, you got the gorilla shirt on?
Twin!
Hey,
Good seeing you,
what you
bro.
been up to?
Nothing much, you know. Fucking getting hit and shit.
Miyagi.
Yeah,
God damn it.
Oh, that's something cool for you.
Huh? Oh, you got both the seats in?
Yeah.
Dude. Oh, you have a rotor?
Yeah, bro.
Dude, where'd you pull that out of?
My older RX-7.
Oh, shit. Hell yeah. Just keeping the Dorito around, you know. It's the only thing I don't understand is why the valve isn't sitting right there.
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
The car?
That's good.
Stop it.
Pop it.
Bub it. Too bad he doesn't have the headrest seats. Who jumped on the hood and like left the ass cheek marks there?
That was me. I'm sorry.
Liam, I did you a favor. I'm seeing this.
Hooray! Oh.
I don't have a light for you, but
I don't have a light on me either.
So what? Typical Beamer activities. Nice coolant reservoir.
Hey, I got the it's coming tomorrow.
What you got?
Water pump?
Fuck yeah. That gives us something to do tomorrow because that's what my plan is. I was like, shit.
I got
Liam, where were you? At 6 p.m.
your mother's house. Change it.
You had to change it?
Yep.
I love how bright this light is in your face. Dude,
Is that Jesus?
pretty fucking bright.
God damn.
It's a fucking incandescent light bulb, so it's hot as shit too. It burns my battery.
really fucking hot.
Hey Chris,
Yeah.
why is it just shining a light bulb in your face?
I don't know.
Because we're smart.
Smart.
You caught you 4K. It's not even 4.
It's not even 4K, it's like 480p.
I was about to say that looks like one of those
It's just gonna look like a
motherfuckers from
V-
like 1990.
Yeah, VHS tape.
Oh, it's a VHS.
You drove a what here?
A cross trek.
Why are you still alive?
I don't know because God wills it. He wouldn't let me kill myself, so now I'm making it everyone's problem.
Made me want to
You
crash.
should tell your boyfriend you got a girl here.
Who? Not mine aren't cheap. Those
Yeah,
are
Beamer.
$400.
This badge right here means that you are gay.
But you have the same badge.
We ain't talking about me right now.
But you have the same badge.
We ain't talking about me right now.
I'm thinking about tomorrow.
This got this motherfucker. Hit that shit. Oh, fucking Daisy. Insane in the membrane.
I got it.
With the hair?
If they're too crazy, don't.
I genuinely don't give a shit.
That's when Ollie goes there.